Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best way to automate payments using Cash App. It's going to be a quick one, so let's get into it. Now, the best way to automate payments using Cash App is to combine its built-in features with consistent routines. Set up direct deposits for recurring incomes such as salaries or client retainers to ensure predictable cash flow. Use scheduled reminders and recurring requests outside the app to prompt clients to pay on time, since Cash App does not fully automate invoicing. Save frequent contacts to reduce errors and speed up transactions. For outgoing payments, you want to establish fixed payment days and amounts to maintain consistency. Automations on Cash App is primarily about processing discipline rather than full system control. But when structured properly, it reduces delays, improves reliability, and keeps your financial operations running smoothly. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here, useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.